Hey guys, this is Brandon with the Millionaire Mindsets coming at you live with another great and informative video on how you can make money from home. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be talking about an opportunity called the Instant Payment Method. It's a pretty good opportunity. Someone actually sent it to me today. Um, Basically, with this opportunity, it does pay daily. Um, and it also has, weekly and monthly commissions as well. Um, Basically, guys, you can make $250 per sale, or per lead. Here are some results from, this system. As you can see, it doesn't take much to create, leverage. $250 for one lead. That's basically, well over, 4 figures a month. And, possibly, God, with 2 leads a day, you're making, $500 a day, which is, 15 grand a month. And this system is on autopilot. So you don't have to worry about selling to anyone. You don't have to worry about placing any ads. You don't have to worry about any of that. This is a system that's literally done for you. Multiple $250 payments. There's no limits to this, guys, on how much you can make. It's just a one-time investment of $250. That's it. You don't have to worry about no monthly overhead. You don't have to worry about any monthly subscription, any monthly website fee. It's just a one-time payment of $250, and that gives you the ability to earn $250 on autopilot, guys, daily. So, say you're a heavy hitter, you set the system up, scale it pretty well, you'll get 4 leads a day, which, isn't a lot of people. 24 hours in a day, you get 4 leads a day. That's 1 lead every 6 hours, guys. You're making $1,000 a day, which is life-changing income. But just say you get 1 lead a day, which is $250. Times 7, you're making $1,750 a week, $1,750 a week. You times that by 4, that's 7 grand a month. That's life-changing income, guys. Off of a system that's just a one-time fee. I think it's well worth it, guys. Looks like a great system. The commissions is definitely up there as far as you creating leverage. It doesn't pay pennies. I joined affiliate programs where you get paid $10, $20, $50 a lead, which is nothing to sleep on because that adds up. But if you can get $250 dollars, multiple payments of $250 deposited in your PayPal or straight to your direct deposit, will it be worth it, guys? If you can just pay a one-time fee of $250 and then not have to worry about spending anything else with this system. The system will always be there for you, throughout your lifetime. Like, the system isn't going nowhere unless you do not want to, I won't even say work it because there's no work. Unless you want to completely just delete or ignore the system will always be there for you. So you don't have to worry about spending daily money on ads or monthly money on ads. That's already built into the system. Guys, you do not have to promote this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. They already have a system in place for you to generate these leads. So all you're doing is basically, click button. You do not have to sell anybody. You do not have to be on a phone. The system is already in place for you guys. You're just, making a one-time investment of the $250, and then from there, guys, you're running the system, watching the training, running the system, and just watching the money pour in. Again, guys, this is life-changing income for a lot of people. If you want the link to this opportunity, I will leave it in the description box. Again, guys, This is the instant payment method. And this is Brandon from the Millionaire Mindsets coming to you live with another great video. Guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification, guys, because if you subscribe, you may not get notified whenever I come out with new videos. And I come out with a lot of videos almost on a daily basis on how you can make extra income from home, simple as possible. So guys, please stay tuned for more videos because there's more to come. And until next time, guys, I'm out.